Okay, here's what just happened in the Philippines. At a massive Iglesia Ni Cristo rally in Manila, police estimated around 600,000 people. Senator Imee Marcos got on the mic and dropped a bomb. She alleged that her own brother, President Bongbong Marcos, the First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and their children are drug addicts. She said, in Filipino, she knows he uses drugs, and that the family knows too. Serious, her word. Malacanang fired back fast. The palace press office called it a desperate move, saying the rally was supposed to be about alleged corruption, not a family takedown. They also pointed to a negative drug test for the president from St. Luke's in 2021. That's on record. Then the president's son, Congressman Sandro Marcos, weighed in, calling the allegations not only false but dangerously irresponsible. He said this isn't how a sister acts and accused his aunt of spinning lies to destabilize the government. Imee countered with a challenge. She'd take a DNA test if the first family takes hair follicle drug tests. Hair tests are seen by some as harder to game because they can show a longer window of use. Again, this is all playing out publicly, in real time. There's more context. Imee says, back in 2016, during the height of Duterte's drug war, she begged then-President Duterte to shield her brother when his name allegedly appeared on a drug watch list. That claim adds more fuel to the fire, especially because the Marcos-Duterte alliance has basically collapsed heading into the 2025 elections. Imee left the coalition aligned with her brother and later got Sara Duterte's endorsement, while Bongbong and the Dutertes traded barbs earlier this year. Duterte accusing Marcos of drug use, and Marcos hitting back over Duterte's fentanyl admission. So what's actually true? Right now, it's allegation versus denial. You've got a negative test, cited from 2021. Ein ba in kan, rumpoid tadim sonen, pulitbuan. You've got a high-profile sister making fresh claims, and you've got political fractures that give everyone motives. Social media, it's a battlefield. One side's cheering finally, truth, calling for across-the-board testing of officials. Another side saying, show current lab results or it's just noise. And yes, the meme machine is in overdrive. On the ground, the crowd at the rally applauded Imee. In Congress, Paulo Duterte says the push for mandatory drug testing for officials is now stronger. If you're clean, prove it. Meanwhile, some civil society groups are going bigger. The United People's Initiative says trust is collapsing and the president should resign. That's a serious escalation. Less about drugs per se, more about governance and credibility. What does this mean for politics and for people? Expect pressure for independent, transparent, up-to-date testing. Expect sharper Marcos versus Duterte blocks in 2025, with Imee as a wild card.